Hey everybody, good evening. This is Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies. Another edition. Yeah, we went out for a bike ride today, and I just kind of show you what I got going on here. The light's a little bit low because as you can see, it's pretty much nighttime outside now. Twilight anyways. Around 9 o'clock, 9:30 or so in the evening. Beautiful southeast Michigan. So I went out for a little bike ride, about 2 hours. And I got me a grip full of number 2 insulated there, and got some of this, which is thick number 2 insulated, and I got a whole lot of that, which is number 1 bright copper, which is probably about $3.50 a pound right now, and I found about 10 pounds of it. I found some lights too, Amazon lights, which I will cut the cords off and throw the lights in the trash and just get that. So all in all, pretty good day, probably around a $50 day there. So yeah, my Heybike Mars 20-inch folding fat tire, 500 watt, 48 volt, 12.5 amp e-bike with a new seat. Yeah. It's got that new Italian model seat there, which is ultra comfortable. Allows me to take those 2-hour rides. Plus, I got a new little addition there. I stole the mirror off my Schwinn Stingray motorized pedal bike there, and that seems to do the trick. So, also, I was out today, and while I was out doing my rounds, I found this nice piece of lovely scrap pipe here, which will help me out most likely because my water heater has went on the fritz. And so it looks like you'll be seeing an episode of how Mark's Home Hobbies installs a tankless high efficiency water heater. It's on order from Home Depot. 500 buccarinos there, baby. It'll get you all the endless hot water you need. So we're going to try that out and see how that works. It's supposed to cut your energy costs too, because you don't have to pay for a pilot light and a tank of hot water to sit there all day getting heated. So yeah, the Heybike Mars is proving to be very profitable. So anyhow, this is just a quick little update on things that I did today, because today it did not rain. For the next 3 days it is supposed to, so I'll be back to my indoor hobbies there shortly. But just thought you'd want to see all this. So anyways, it's Mark's Home Hobbies saying see you later.